The universe is saying to you today, my lovely child, I want you to start thinking bigger, expecting bigger, asking bigger. I am going to take you where you have never been. Your blessings are on your way. Don't doubt it, just claim it. Let go of attachment. Bigger things are opening up for you. If your hands are tightly closed onto what is, then you cannot reposition yourself to all that's making its way to you. It's time to dream big again. That next step is waiting. Your upgrades are on the assembly line. You are done with the asking stage. You are shifting from hope to expectation. Your fulfillment is being delivered. Type yes if you agree and also subscribe.